Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And we have a package from Shein. So let's see what's in here. Alright, let's start with stickers. So we've got these. They are gold and black. And they have clocks, half clocks, whole clocks, things like that. Real cute. And then I got this set of clocks as well, also in the black and gold. It is not New Year's time, but when it is New Year's time, these are going to come in handy. I also got these little kitty cats. These are in teacups, and these have little cupcakes and bows. Do not bring flowers on your first date. Bring your toothbrush and your cat. That's a motto to live by. I got some more of these individual flowers and small groups because I made a little set of nails with these at the bottom in kind of a French style, and I really liked it, so I wanted some more. It is summertime, so we've got some ocean themed stuff. These have some mermaid tails, some fish, some coral, some jellyfish. There's white ones on here as well, so you can put them on a dark background. And then we have some 3D ones as well. Jellyfish, fish, shells, waves, starfish, horseshoes, all kinds of good stuff. And then we got fruit. It is definitely the right season for fruit, or oranges and strawberries. A couple little lips and hearts sneaking in here as well. And then I also got this. I'm trying to make it to where you can see them, but so these are little metal dragonflies. I love dragonflies, and you guys know how I feel about these little metal decal sequins, but I used some stars recently and it came out pretty well, and these dragonflies are really small, so I think they're gonna be okay. And then we got some containers. These are like opaque rhinestones in pastel colors. Maybe you can see them better on this side. There's like greens and pinks, this purpley blue in assorted sizes. And then in a very similar vein, we've got half pearls, but these are like bubbles. These have a colored base, but then it's a clear bubble so that the color kind of resonates up through it. I've got plans for this guy. And then these are also half pearls, but they're like surrounded by a little gold rim. And we have some in color, some in pearl, some in white, these little blue ones. And these ones seem to be like rhinestones, AB. You can kind of see a bit of a color shift going on in there. The rest is charms. So many charms. So I am going to pour them into this container here so we can look at them. I got a whole bunch of butterflies. All right, so this is the first container of butterflies. There's only 3 in this package. I don't know how they got 3 as the right number. I don't have just 3 fingers, like 2, 1 for each hand. Okay, I could get it, but 3? I don't know. But they are gold and they have these tiny little crystals on them, but they're really cute. Next, we have these plastic colorful ones. There are some yellow ones in here, some red ones, some purple ones, like this one's orange and green. This one's clear with black, some purple and yellow. These are real cute. They're very springy, very pastel-y, and I think there's a place for them. Here's another small pack. This one only came with 4. I mean, at least it's an even number. These are actually the ones you see pretty regularly in designs. They have the little crystals that go along the edge. You can kind of see them shimmer. I'm sure they're like cubic zirconia or something, just with the way they're set in here and why you only get 4. All right, here's some little gold butterflies. We do get a full 10 of these. They are not as elaborate. They are just solid, very shimmery. These will make some great charms. They're kind of flat, so they probably won't get hooked on too much. This bag is massive. It's got a lot in it, so we're just gonna pour a little out. Whoops, I said a little. There we go. We've got 3. So these are actually really large. They are a butterfly because they have antennas, but they're also kind of like a bow. and they're so big. Like, this is definitely gonna be for a longer nail set. Like, look how big it is even on these nails, and these are long. It's very pretty, but like, you would have to use a lot of product to really stick this down. Otherwise, it's gonna get snagged on everything and snatch off. I thought they were gonna be a lot smaller. In the picture, they seemed like they would. Here's another pack of pretty large ones. There is the full 10. It's not as big, but it is another metal butterfly that kind of looks like a bow. Pretty big. If I hold it up there, you can't even see it because it gets blurry. But yeah, so it's a large one. Aha, see? Yeah, pretty big. All right, so here we have an assortment of little crystal butterflies. There's a couple different color shifts in here. Some yellows, some clears that are kind of purple. It's like a reflective piece of glass. And then there's this little metal butterfly ribbing. Here's another small container. They only gave us 5. But these are really pretty. Let's see if we can get one to balance on here. They're kind of big as well, but look at that shimmer. It's like literally nothing but rhinestones. That is so pretty. I can't wait to use that, but it's really big. So probably just one per hand. And then we've got a big old package here. This is another large one. They really just are deceptive in the picture about how big it actually is. It's got a metal outline, but then these little wings are like some sort of like opalescent material. It's real pretty though. As you can see, quite large, but I like it, and they gave us a bunch. So that was the butterflies. Now we're doing the crosses. I got an assortment of crosses because I have a friend who really loves crosses on her nails, and so I was like, let me get a variety. They do come in a couple of different colors in here, if they would show you. And like, there's a yellowy, a pink, a clear. I think that might be all of the colors though, but these are not astronomically large. Look how big that is compared. That's much more reasonably sized. You could easily fit that on a nail. This package also, unfortunately, only gave us 4. These ones are more wrought ironed and gothic looking. I think these ones are really pretty, and they're also reasonably sized. You can easily put that on a nail. I actually got the same ones in gold because I like them so much, and look at that stone in the middle. It glistens. And since I was getting it in gold, obviously I had to get it in silver because you just never know what color you're gonna need. And then I got these. These are not really crosses, but they're kind of similar. I feel like they're in the family. Like, it may be just some sort of decorative thing. I don't know. But I thought they were cute and sparkly, and they've got pearls on them, not just the stones. So I thought they were nice. And then also, it's not Halloween, but I got these little bat hearts, and I actually got them in black as well. They're just so adorable. They are curved back, so it's good for them trying to sit on your nail. They're a bit wide, but like, if you don't go ham, you can easily put that on there. And really, you can put them diagonal as well. I also got these devil hearts. Got them in red and black as well. They're so pretty and so shimmery, and this is definitely my aesthetic. I'm gonna find a way to use these come this spooky season. They're a little bit big and hard to balance if I can just get it to stay, but like, yes, absolutely yes. And then I got some of these kind of flowers here. They are not curved on the back, unfortunately, so when they do sit on the nail, they may need to be kind of buried down into some product. Yeah, because otherwise they're gonna sit kind of weird. These are always bigger than I expect them to be. And then I got them in white and pink as well. And then the last haul of charms. These are all different. They're not just duplicates. These are little cats on the moon. Look how cute they are. I love these. They were so adorable. And then I got some anchors to go along with the nautical season. I got some more of these giant things. These ones are definitely just bows. They are not butterflies, but they're massive. I love how drippy and like spooky they are, but they're so big. And then I got some of these little hearts. They have a little rhinestone right here in the middle, but they're cute. They're gold, little curved back. And then I got these hearts as well. They have a large stone in the middle, and then they're trimmed with stones. These are just uber sparkly, so I had to have them. Hearts are great for any season. They're not curved back though. They seem to be like a bowl in the back. And then these are really cool. They're little cat heads, but it's like this bubble of mirror. They are curved back. I think these are precious. Definitely gonna find a way to use these. And then last but not least, these little clusters. It's just a pearl, a rhinestone, a little shell, and a starfish. They are super, super adorable, super appropriate for the season. So I had to have them as well. So that's all my stuff for this little summer Shein haul. I really didn't need a lot of stuff, but I couldn't help myself from buying it. They are a lot of similar items, but sometimes with a set you're doing, the item you have is just not quite right. Like it's the right theme, but it's not the right design to fit the aesthetic. So I just wanted to get a little variety of stuff. Not that I needed more charms, I've got a million, but I love it and I'm excited. And if you guys see my nails, you may recognize these nail shapes from a video that you have already seen. But thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your likes and your comments. Thank you for subscribing. I definitely appreciate it. If you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that button. It really does help me out. The algorithm is not going to push out my content to new people unless the people already watching it are interacting with it. And I need to get to 1,000 subscribers before I can get monetized. And so if I ever get there and get monetized, then I can use what funds that draws in for more content. And I like making these videos, so anything that would allow me to make videos more is a good thing in my book. But also, we do have the 500 subscriber giveaway coming up. If you want to be in it, just be subscribed. But that's really it. Again, I appreciate you, and by all means, share this video to anyone who would like it. And if you have any of these items, let me know which ones you have, and tag me on the socials in anything that you have used so I can see what you've done with them. All of my links are below, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.